Like my son-in-law would do.
Oh, all right. We'll go ahead and get started. What is your first name?
My first name is Shirley.
Okay, Shirley. What first brought you into Palmetto Physical Medicine?
I had severe mid-back pain and shoulder pain.
Okay. What was the severity of your symptoms when you came in, from 1 to 10?
About a 9.
About a 9.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, it's pretty serious.
Mm-hmm,
Okay.
mm-hmm.
Yeah, I remember when you came in.
Mm-hmm.
How was your problems affecting your daily life?
Well, I thought something was really, really wrong, physically wrong with me, and it made me really anxious about doing anything, that I might hurt myself even worse.
Okay. Well, what did you receive when you came here, when you started care? What kind of services did we give you?
Well, let's see, I got physical therapy and braces for my knees and my back, some chiropractic adjustments, and some shots to help loosen up some of the painful areas.
Yeah.
And halfway through, I got some wonderful massages,
Yes.
which helped pull it all together.
That's right. Yeah, that's usually people's favorite part, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay. Well, what was your experience like since you've been here at Palmetto Physical Medicine?
Well, I look forward to coming, which is, normally you don't look forward to going to what would be considered a doctor appointment, but you would look forward to coming because you just knew that you would feel better afterwards. And because of the staff, you feel really welcomed when you come in.
Yeah.
And so if I'm having a bad day and I walk in, they kind of know that you're having a bad day, but by the time I go out of here, I'm feeling better.
Outstanding.
I'm lifted up,
Great. Well, how has your life changed since you've gotten treatment here?
I feel like that if I'm exercising, I'm doing it in more of a healthy way, and that my posture and my sleep is better. I have a more positive outlook. Even though I may have some mild pain, I still have a more positive outlook that it's not going to get any worse because I'm employing the things that y'all taught me to do with the exercises and the posture.
Oh, yeah. Well, compared to that 9 when you first came in, what would you say your average daily pain or discomfort would be?
I would say I'm down in probably a 2 to 3 right now.
Outstanding.
On a daily basis. Some days when the weather is different, it goes up a little bit. But on the whole, it's just a kind of slightly pain to moderate, just on the day.
Good. Well, would you recommend Palmetto Physical Medicine to friends and family?
Oh, definitely. Every day. If I'm talking to somebody that I know is having issues, I usually recommend that they come over here and talk to you about it. So and at the Y where we learned about Palmetto, any of us who've been through the program tell our friends about it. So I definitely would suggest they come.
All right. Well, thank you for being such a great patient, Shirley.
Okay.
You've been one of our favorites.
Okay.
So that was it. That was nice and
Good.
easy. Yep.
Good.
Painless.
All right.